Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered bad system config error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to simply restart the computer, click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. This will sometimes work, the error will no longer be shown, but if it does then you need to contact a hardware technician. And why I say that is because you need to check your connections, your hardware connections, including your RAM, your hard disk connections and the other connections to the motherboard. If these are loose or if there's some problem with the RAM, if the RAM is failing, then it can cause these issues. Now the third solution is to restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. For that we need to go to system configuration and then click on services, and most importantly we need to check this box, hide all Microsoft services, because if we do disable any Microsoft services by mistake, then we cannot reboot the system as it will not gain access to the critical Microsoft service enabling it to restart. So we'll disable all these third party apps which we feel are not required for the efficient running of the system on restart. Google Updater, these are not required. Google Chrome. So disable all these, click on apply, click on OK and then click on restart. Now once we do that, we also need to make sure once it restarts in the clean boot, we will run Microsoft Update. So go to Microsoft Update, click on check for updates and then click on advanced options and then click on optional updates and then click and install any driver updates that are available here. Now we will run two scans in command prompt. We'll run as administrator, very important. One we will run is the SFC scan, SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. I will not press enter, so I want to keep this video short for your convenience because this scan takes quite a long time. And then we will run the check disk scan, CHKDSK space slash F space slash R and press enter. Then we'll press yes and we'll press enter, and we will have to restart the system for this scan to do its magic. So we can restart the system by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button and clicking on restart and waiting for check disk to scan and fix any bad sectors on the disk. Now if none of these work, then we need to scan for malware and viruses, because it could potentially be that some virus or malware is causing this kind of error. So go to virus and threat protection settings. Here if you have installed a third party antivirus or anti-malware app like Malwarebytes or Norton, Kaspersky, AVG, then it will show you open app. Open the app and then go for a full scan there. But since I'm using the pre-installed Windows antivirus and anti-malware, I'll go to scan options, click on full scan and then I will click on scan now. Once that is done, I will check if this error comes back again, but if it does, then there are only two options left. One is to perform a system restore. So I will look for recovery. Here it is, open it and then click on open system restore and then click on either recommended restore or choose a different restore point and then click on next and click on finish, and it will restore the system back to a date and time where the system was stable and not showing these kind of errors, provided you have created a backup point or a system or the system has automatically created a backup point. Now if that too doesn't work and the error persistently shows up again, then we need to do a clean reinstall. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, look for recovery, click on reset PC and then click on remove everything. But if you remove everything, make sure that you back up your data on a external hard drive, or if you can't, then you have to keep your files, but I would always prefer a clean reinstall. Click on this and then click on next. You can also change the settings. I think this is a new panel that has come. To be honest, I'm seeing this for the first time. So let's check it out. Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. Clean data? Yes. Delete files from all drives? Yes. And delete workplace resource? Yes. So this is a new features in the latest Windows update. So you can click on confirm, click on next, and then you can click on reset. And once this is done, it will install a clean version of your Windows on the system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.